Welcome people. Today we will discuss about trigonometry and its relation. As we know, there are 6 different trigonometric ratio. For this, required triangle, right angle triangle, which has base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Suppose we have right angle triangle ABC at angle B 90 degree and AB equal to perpendicular, you can say P, let P, say means let BC equal to base, AC equal to hypotenuse. This AB, BC and AC are sides of the right angle triangle. Now I am taking acute angle C for giving the relation, that is the ratios. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is the ratio of sin C. So we can say that sin C equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to, we have indicated here PBH, then P by H, side AB by AC. For cos, angle C equal to base by hypotenuse equal to base indicating B and hypotenuse indicated by H, and B indicating side BC and H indicating AC. So we retain here cos C equal to base by hypotenuse equal to B by H equal to BC by AC. Now tan C, for tan C is an angle equal to perpendicular by base equal to P by B equal to AB by BC. For we take cosec C equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular equal to H by P equal to AC by AB. Now we can H by, for cosec C we have written H hypotenuse by perpendicular equal to H by P equal to AC by AB. For sec C, for sec C we have written here hypotenuse by base equal to H by B equal to AC by BC. Is clear? In last, cot C equal to base by perpendicular equal to B by H equal to BC by AB. It is a relation? No. A relation between trigonometric ratio. Here, note. It is clear that by definition of the trigonometric ratios, for any acute angle, we will take theta as acute angle, sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. That means I have written here on the right hand side, sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta equal to 1 by h by p. Just above you seen cosec by, equal to h by p. So p goes to the numerator and it's become p by h. So sin theta equal to acute angle equal to p by h here. No, here p by h. Okay. Such type for cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, or we can say that sec theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. That I have shown here. You see here the next relation, tan theta equal to p by b. When we divided numerator by h, or when you divided the denominator by h, it's become P by H or B by H. P by H is the value of sin theta and B by H is the cos theta. I have written here, divide N and D by H. For cot, B by P we know, P by H we have divided numerator by H and denominator by H. B by H indicating cos theta and P by H indicating sin theta. Is that clear? Now, when we multiply tan theta and cot theta, what we get? We get 1. Product of tan theta and cot theta always equal to 1 is very helpful to solve the problem related to trigonometry. Trigonometric identities you see. There are 3 fundamental trigonometric identities. By these 3 trigonometric identities, we can write 2 more relation. You see, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then we can write sin square theta equal to what? You transpose the cos square theta, right hand side will become minus. Then we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And second, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That means again we transpose the sin square theta from left hand side to right hand side. We get cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. For sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, it can be written as also sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Next, third, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. It can be written as also cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and second, cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. This is the formula. You can say that it is used to solve the questions in trigonometric section. Complementary angle. Complementary angle. If we have angle theta, its complement always 90 degree minus theta. So we see here sine bracket 90 degree minus theta bracket close equal to cos theta. It is also important. And cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. Example, suppose sin 37 degree divided by cos 53 degree. We can write sin 37 degree such type as like sin 90 degree minus 53 degree and divided cos 53 degree. So we can apply here sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. That means sin 90 degree minus 53 degree equal to cos 53 degree. So cos 50 degree divided by cos 50 degree, you know very well 1. I think that it will helpful for you, and have a nice day to all. Thank you.